pull yourself up there on your own. Whoa, where are you going?
Can you take a video and I can watch it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Here, come sit here, Ida, so that if he falls that way, you can catch him. Sit right down there. There you go. Put your arms out like he's gonna catch you. There you go.
If he falls, I can catch him.
Okay.
Oh, you're such a good big sister.
You are. That's sweet. Are you so excited you pulled yourself up to standing? Oh, hold your stool down so he doesn't push it forward.
I went to sleep with my bathing suit on. A whole night tonight.
Night didn't even happen yet.
It's not nighttime.
It's getting close.